So good morning everyone. In last class we have completed exercise 2.3. So now we are going to start the next exercise, that is exercise number 2.4. Okay, so if you take this for 2.4, in that first one, first solution. So what is that? They have given one figure, two parallel lines and one transversal. Here it is 2x plus 15 and here it is 3x minus 10 degrees. So we have to find the x value. So already in 7th class we have learnt about parallel lines and about transversal and what are the different type of 8 different type of angles. Okay, so if you go for last, if you think about that lesson, that is triangle lines properties or lines and angles, so we know that the opposite angles will be equal. So if it is 3x minus 10, here also it will be 3x minus 10. Okay, so if you think about these two, so these two are corresponding angles. Always the corresponding angles will be equal. So from figure we can write, from figure 2x plus 15 is equals to 3x minus 10 because they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles and we know that the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so now transpose the terms. Now 3x you transpose this side and plus 15 to other side. So if you transpose this, 2x minus 3x is equals to minus 10 minus 15. So 2x minus 3, that is 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. From smaller number we are subtracting the bigger number, so the answer will be in the form of negative. That will be minus 1x is equals to, minus into minus will be plus, 10 plus 15 will be 25 and the bigger number sign is minus. So we got minus 1x is equals to minus 25. So minus minus will get cancelled. So x value is how much now? 25 degrees. So this is our first solution in exercise 2.4. Okay, so next one. Next question is 8 times of a number reduced by 10. Reduced by 10. 8 times of a number. 8 times of a number means what is that number? We don't know, so we will take in the form of x. 8 times means that will be 8x. Reduced by 10 means 8x minus 10 is equals to. Is equals to is nothing but equals to sign. The sum of 6 times the number and 4. So the sum of 6 times. 6 times is nothing but 6x. Sum is nothing but plus and 4 they told. So the left hand side, the right hand side value will be equals to 6x plus 4. So what is that number we have to find? So what they told here, 8 times of a number, 8 times. So first we have to take let the number be x. X. Now they told 8 times of a number. So 8 times of a number reduced by 10. So how to write this equation? 8 times. 8 times is nothing but multiplication. Number is what? X. Reduced means minus 10. So what is the expression here? 8x minus 10 is our expression. Okay, so is equals to, they told. Equals to means equals to symbol we have to keep. Equals to means equals to symbol. Next is sum of 6 times a number and 4. So sum of 6 times the number and 4. So this sentence also we have to convert into expression. So 6 times is nothing but 6 into number. 6 times the number means 6 times into number is x. Sum is nothing but addition and by 4. So what is the next expression? 6x plus 4. Now we have to solve these two. So you will get the x value. So what they told, 8 times of a number reduced by 10, that is 8x minus 10 is equals to sum of 6 times of the number and 4, that is 6x plus 4. So now transpose all the variables to one side and constant values to other side. So if you transpose this plus 6x to other side, that will be minus. So 8x minus 6x is equals to 4 plus 10. So 8x minus 6x will be 2x is equals to 14. So x is equals to, I am transposing this 2 to other side, that will become division. So 14 by 2, 2 1s are 2 7s are. So what is the x value? X value is 7. So therefore what is the number? The number is 7. So this is our second question. So next one, so next question is, the number consists of 2 digits, the sum is 9. So a number is having 2 digits. 2-digit number means it is having a ones place as well as it will be having a tens place. Okay, so a 2-digit number whose sum is 9. Suppose you are taking a 2-digit number, I am taking it as 35. Okay, so if you add these two, the sum will be 9, it seems. So 5 plus 3 will not be equals to 9. If I take here 4, this is a 2-digit number. If I add these two numbers, the result will be 9, it seems. The sum will be equals to 9. So if 27 is subtracted from the number, if you are subtracting 27 from the original number, its digits are reversed. The digits will be reversed. So find the number. So we have to find the number now. Okay, so what is that number we have to find? So in any 2-digit number, you will be having one ones place and also it will be having one tens place. So here I am taking the ones place as, let the ones place is equals to x, and the tens place, let the tens place is equals to y. Okay, or you can shuffle here, ones place as y and tens place as x. Any way you can take. Okay, so they told that it is a 2-digit number. 2-digit number means how it will be? The 2-digit number be number is what? In 2-digit number, you will be having ones place as well as tens place. So ones place is y. So 1 into y will be y, plus tens place is what? 10 into x. So this is the original value. Okay, so if you take any number as 45, how you will write this? How to expand this? You will write in the form of 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Is it right? In the same way, this y is 1 into y plus this x is 10 into x. Okay, so this is our 2-digit number. So what they told now? They told that what is that? If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. If you are subtracting 27 from this number, the digits will be reversed. So already we have taken the number as 45. If you reverse these digits, it will be 54. In the same way, they are telling that if you are subtracting 27 with this number, then the result will be reversed. The digits will be reversed. So what are the reversed values? We will see. The reversed digits number, the reversed 2-digit number is, what it becomes is y will be in this place and x will be in that place. Okay, so it will be 10y plus x. So this is the reversed value. Okay, now by problem we will see. So by problem they told that if 27 is subtracted from a number means that is the original number, this part. So that is 10x plus y is minus 27. If you are subtracting 27 from the original number, the result will be reversed. The digits will be reversed. That means it will become 10y plus x. Okay. So now we have to solve this. So how to solve this? I am bringing these all terms to this side. I am transposing all the values to this side. And this minus 27 I am taking to other side. I am transposing minus 27 to other side, that will become plus. So it will be 10x plus y. This will be minus 10 minus x is equals to 27. Okay. So what is that now? What is that? Now it will be what? 10x minus x will be 9x, and plus y minus 10y will be equals to 9y, minus 9y is equals to 27. Okay. And now in all the terms you can take 9 as common, because in 9 table 9 will go, 9 table 9 will go, and 27 table in 9 table 27 will also go. So I am taking 9 as common. So it will be x minus y is equals to, here it will be 3 times. Okay. Or you can take in this form. Directly you write it as minus 27 equals to 0 here. So it will be minus 27 equals to 0. Now you take this 9 as common in this. X minus y minus 3 equals to 0. If you send this 9 to other side, that will become 0. So that is x minus y minus 3 equals to 0. Transpose this minus 3 to other side. X minus y is equals to 3. So this is equation number 2. What is equation number 1? Already they told that the sum of two digits will be 9. So here the sum of two digits is equals to, sum is nothing but plus x plus y is equals to 9. Already they told that it is equation number 1. Now we have to solve these two equations. So solving equation 1 and 2. So what is equation number 1? That is x plus y is equals to 9, and second equation is x minus y is equals to 3. So plus y minus y will get cancelled. X plus x will be 2x. 9 plus 3 will be equals to 12. Okay. So now transpose this 2 to other side. So x is equals to 12 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6s. So x value is how much now? 6. Now we have to find the y value. So we can substitute this x in any one of the equation. So substitute x is equals to 6 in equation number 1. I'm substituting in equation number 1. You can do it in equation number 2 also. So what is 1? X plus y is equals to 9. So x value is how much? 6. So 6 plus y is equals to 9. Transpose this 6 to other side, that will become minus. So y is equals to 9 minus 6. So y is equals to how much? 3. Okay. So now what is the number we will see? What is the original number we will see? What is the original number here? 10x plus y is the original number. So therefore the original number is 10x plus y. So we can write here 10 into, what is the x value? X value is 6 plus y value is 3. So that will be 10 into 6 will be 60 plus 3, that will be equals to 63. Now if you see, 6 plus 3 is how much? 9. Okay. So now what is the reversed value? We will see. The reversed number is 10y plus x. Yes, is it right? The reverse value is 10y plus x. So 10 y plus 3 and in x place 6. That will be equals to 30 plus 6. That will be equals to 36. The numbers has been reversed here. Okay. So once again you say this. So what is the question? They told that a number consists of two digits. Any number is having two digits. You can take any type of number. If you are adding the two digits, the sum will be 9, it seems. So here the ones place I am taking it as y and tens place I am taking it as x. If you are adding the two digits, that will be equals to 9. Already they told that. So that is equation number 1. And in any digit, it is having two digits. Two digits means it will be having one in ones place as well as tens place. So expand that the number, expand that number. So y into 1 will be y plus x into 10 will be 10x. So what is the expanded form of that number? That is 10x plus y. Okay, and they told that if you are subtracting minus, if you are subtracting 27 from the original number, the digits will be reversed, it seems. That's why I have reversed the values here. I wrote y here and x here. This is the reversed value. Okay, so by problem what they told, if you are subtracting 27 from the original number, from this number if you are subtracting 27, the result will be reversed. Reversed means it will be in this form. Okay, so now you transpose all the terms. So if you transpose all the terms, 10x plus y minus 10x plus minus x minus 27 equals to 0. So 10x minus x will be 9x plus y minus 10 will be equals to minus 9y minus 27 equals to 0. From these all numbers I am taking 9 as common. So if you take 9 as common, it will be x minus y minus 3 equals to 0. If you send this 9 to other side, that will become 0. So what is the remaining expression? X minus y minus 3 equals to 0. That is x minus y is equals to 3. I am transposing minus 3 to other side, that will become plus. So this is equation number 2. Now what we are doing? We are subtracting equation 1 and 2. So if you subtract 1 and 2, plus y minus y will be equals to 0. I have cancelled. X plus x is 2x, 9 plus 3 is 12. Transpose is 2 to other side, that will become 12 by 2, 2 ones are 2 sixes. So x value you got it as 6. Okay, now we have to substitute this x is equals to 6 in equation number 1, or you can substitute in equation number 2 also. So but I have did in the equation number 1. So if you do like that, so x plus y is equals to 9. X value is 6, I have substituted here. 6 plus y is equals to 9. So y 9 minus 6, that will be equals to 3. Now this x is equals to 6 and x is equals to y, I am substituting in original 2-digit number and reversed 2-digit number. So what I got the result as 63 and 36. So that is the reversed value and the original value. This is our third solution. So next question. So fourth solution. What is fourth solution? A number is divided into two parts. A number has been divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. So one part is 10 more than the other, it seems. So if the two parts are in ratio 5:3, already we did like this problem in before exercise. So if the number, find the number and the two parts. So a number has been divided into two parts. One part is 10 more than the other, it seems. So what is the ratio of that? Ratio is 5:3. So we can write in the form of 5x and 3x. So find the number and its two parts. So we have to find a number and also we have to find the what are the two parts we have to find. So what we are taking here, we are taking like the number be x. So what is the ratio they gave? The ratio of two numbers be 5:3. So they have given already the ratio as 5:3. So we can write this as 5x comma 3x, because I told you that the ratio will be in the form of multiples. The result will be in the form of multiples of the given ratio. Okay, so now what they told, according to the sum, they told that one part is 10 more than the other. So by problem, this one part is nothing but equals to sign 10 more than the other. That means it will be 3x plus 10. Now we have to find the numbers. Okay, so transpose is 3x to this side. So 5x minus 3x will be equals to 10. 5x minus 3x will be 2x. So 2x will be equals to 10. Transpose that 2 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So what is the x value? 5. Okay, so what are the two parts? The two parts of a number. The two parts of number is, so what is that? 5x. So 5x is nothing but 5 into 5, that will be equals to 25. And what is the second part here? 3x, that is 3 into 5, that will be equals to 15. So if you take 25 and 15, this number is 10 more than the other number. So the first part is 25 and second part is 15. So if you see this 25 and 15, this 25 is 10 more than the second part. So this is our fourth solution. So next one, fifth one. Fifth solution. So here, when I triple a certain number, when you are tripling a number, 3 times of a number and add 2, I get the same answer I do when I subtract the number from 50. So find the number. So we have to find a number, that number I am taking it as x here. And if I triple a number and add 2 to that. So triple a number means 3x. And what we have to add? We have to add 2 to that. So that will be 3x plus 2. Okay, I get the same answer. I get the same answer is nothing but the equal to sign, as I do when I subtract a number from 50. So if you are subtracting number from 50, that LHS part and RHS parts will be equal. Okay, we have to find a number here. So what is the question now? I triple a number. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. And what they told, I triple a number. Triple a number means triple a number and add 2. So what is that? Triple is nothing but 3 times number is x, add means addition 2. So what is the expression? 3x plus 2 is our first expression. Okay, I get the same answer. I get the same answer is nothing but equal to sign. And what they told, that is I subtract the number from 50. So subtract the number from 50. Subtract the number from 50. That means that will be 50 minus x. Now we have to solve this. So by problem, what they told, triple a number and add 2, that means 3x plus 2. I get the same answer is nothing but equals to sign. When I subtract a number from 50, that is 50 minus x. Now transpose all the values. So send this plus minus x to this side and plus 2 to other side, that will become minus. So 3x plus x is equals to 50 minus 2. 3x plus x is how much? 4x is equals to 50 minus 2 is 48. So transpose this 4 to other side. So x will be equals to 48 by 4. So how many times? 4 ones are 4, 12 times. So what is the number here? Number is 12. So therefore the number is 12. So this is our fifth solution. Next one. So sixth one. So what is sixth one? Mary is twice older than her sister. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Find how old are they both now. So we have to find the present age. So like the Mary's age, I am taking it as x. Okay, so Mary's age is x years. And what they told that, sorry, Mary's sister's age. age is x years, and what will be the Mary's age? She is how many years older? That is twice older. Twice is nothing but 2 times. So Mary's age is equals to twice of Mary's sister. That will be 2 into x, that will be equals to 2x years. Okay, now they are talking about after 5 years, 5 years of time. What is 5 years of time? 5 years means after 5 years what is their age we have to find. So after 5 years, Mary's sister's age will be how much? That will be x plus 5, because we are calculating for after 5 years. This is years. And what will be the Mary's age? Mary's age will be 2x plus 5 years. Okay, so now what they told. So what is that? Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years time she will be 2 years older than her sister. She will be 2 years older than our sister, means we have to add plus 2 to the sister's age. So by problem we can write, that is 2x plus 5 will be equals to x plus 5 plus 2, because 2 years more older it seems. So that is 2x plus 5 is equals to x plus 7. Transpose the terms now. If you transpose this plus x to other side, that will become minus. And if you transpose this plus 5 to other side, that will become minus. So 2x minus x will be equals to 7 minus 5. 2x minus x is equals to 7 minus 5 is 2. So what is the x here? X value is 2. So what is the present age of Mary's sister? So present age of Mary's sister is x we took, so that will be 2 years. And what will the age of sisters Mary's? So present age of Mary, it is 2x, no, that means 2 into x, 2 into 2 will be equals to 4 years. So these are the present ages of Mary and Mary's sister. Okay, so this is our 6th solution. Next one, 7th one. Seventh one is in 5 years time Reshma will be 3 times older as she was 9 years ago. So how old is she now? We have to find. So here what is the Reshma's present age? We don't know, so we are taking it as x. In 5 years time, means it will be x plus 5. She will be how much older it seems? She will be, so in 5 years time means it was x plus 5. Reshma will be 3 times older as she was 9 years ago. 9 years ago means it will be x minus 9. Okay, so we have to find the number now. So Reshma's present age, and we are taking it as present age of Reshma. I am taking it as x years. After 5 years means it will be x plus 5. X plus 5 years. And before 9 years means it will be x minus 9. Before 9 years means it will be x minus 9 years. Now by problem what they told, that is, according to the problem they told that in 5 years of time, means it was x plus 5. So by problem, in 5 years of time Reshma will be 3 times of 9 years ago. That will be 3 times of 9 years ago is x minus 9. So now we have to solve this. So x plus 5 is equals to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 9s are 27. Transpose the values. I am sending this 3x to that side and this plus 5 to this side. So the values, the signs will be changed. So x minus 3x is equals to minus 27 minus 5. So it will be minus 2x, plus into minus is minus. 3 minus 1 is 2, bigger number sign is minus. So minus 2x is equals to minus 27 minus 5, that will be equals to minus 32. Minus minus will get cancelled. Transpose is 2 to other side, so x will be 32 by 2. 2 ones are 2 16s are. So what is the x value now? X value is 16. X is nothing but the Reshma's age. What is the Reshma's present age? Present age of Reshma is 16 years. So this is our 7th solution. So with this, our exercise 2.4 is completed. In next class, we will do our next exercise. Thank you.